नमस्ते और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. I would want to start this video by asking you all for your opinion. What do you think about confidence? Are people born with it or they can work for it? They can achieve it by working towards it. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What is self confidence? Self confidence is trusting yourself, believing in yourself that whatever you wish for, you are going to accomplish in the future. And we often think that it is based on the capabilities or our abilities, but it is mostly dependent on our perception. And this perception can sometimes be flawed. And in this video, I will be telling you if this flawed perception can be changed, and if so, how can it be done? So let us get into the video. Story time. So, 6 months ago, I was watching a podcast on which a celebrity came. She is very famous. I would not want to take names. So, this celebrity came, and they were asking her questions related to confidence and how did she have it, or just like that, because she's very confident and she's very successful. So, they all wanted to know, and then her answer was, okay, confidence is something you are born with. Either you have it or you don't. You cannot fake it. And when she said that, I was like, okay, I was thinking of, you know, knowing more about confidence, but here is the full stop that I needed. So I thought maybe I should just stop it. I should not think more and try not to know more about confidence because it is of no use. You have it or you don't. You cannot fake it or you cannot build it. And I was like, leave, bro, leave. But after 6 months, I stumbled upon another podcast, and on that, a very famous actress came and she was talking about her journey of confidence, building confidence. And I was like, maybe she can change my perspective. So I was very intrigued on what her thoughts were on confidence. So she said that she was asked, were you confident from the very beginning, or how do you stay confident in an industry where confidence is needed on a daily basis? Like, she's an actress. So she answers very well, and I was like, okay. So listen to her answer. She says like, you know what? I was not this confident when I entered this industry. She was not very confident when she entered the acting industry, but she said that for her to continue her career and to work for her passion, to work towards her dream, she needed to be. And she knew that she needed to be. So she said that, you know what, I put myself in situations that needed me to be confident. I put myself intentionally, and that helped me so much. And here I am, finally confident of what I'm doing. So that changed everything for me. That changed on how I looked at confidence as a concept and how it can be learned. So she changed it for me, and I was like, wow, you can learn it. As she said, you have to intentionally put yourself in situations that need you to be confident. Maybe you'll fail, but you will learn something. So, if you are someone who wants to change your flawed perception, be ready to change that, have that open mind, and work towards it and put yourself out there. Don't fake it. Just do it intentionally. Do it intentionally. Put yourself out there. Put yourself in situations that demand confidence. Also, I would want to end this video by asking you all a question. So, when you are traveling by bus or by any public vehicle, do you know the driver personally, but you don't, right? But you still trust them to just leave you to your destination? Or when you live in a rented house and you call it home, you feel safe there, but you don't know the person personally whose house it is. You don't know them itne अच्छे से कि you can believe them. So, but still you do, right? In these two situations, you do it even if you don't know them. But you know yourself. I feel even when I ask this question, do you know yourself? Like, maybe, we will answer ki no, I don't know who I am. I don't know how I'll act. But you know yourself better than anyone. And still you don't believe yourself. Matlab, bhai, what is wrong with your brain? Like, you're believing a driver, you're believing your owner or whoever. You're literally believing anyone, but you're not believing yourself. Who you know very well. Like, सबसे ज़्यादा आप आपको ही जानते, and you're not believing. So that question, just ask yourself, why? Why am I not doing it? Maybe that is the key to, being confident. Just be yourself. And for me, confidence is being yourself, not, there should be no fear of being judged. It will be there, I know, I'm just talking like that, but मेरे लिए confidence मैं कब reach हो जाऊंगी मेरे लिए is when you just don't care. You are you, and you don't care what others think for who you are. You're just you, you're enjoying being you. That is confidence for me. And do let me know what is confidence for you in the comment section. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Bye.